Hello, my name is Darwin Akise. I'm a student of Information System at the Technical University of Cotopaxi. Today, we are going to work on how to make a remote connection to a PostgreSQL database from a mobile using. Using Fedora as computer operating system and the RemoDB app on the phone. The goal is to be able to access and manage a database that I already have stored from a data warehouse, so can query data in real time from anywhere. I will show you step by step how to create the database, restore the backup, configure PostgreSQL to allow remote connection, and finally how to verify the connection works with a simple query. Step number one, create the database. The fifth thing I do is create a new database called SIA 24. Save. This database will be very important all the backup data. Step number two, restore the backup. With the database create, I process to restore the backup. These backups contain data organized by areas, and each area depends on around 8 or 10 tables. Restore database, field name, uh, select backup, and restore. The restoring means that some thing depending on the size of the file, but once finished all, all the information will be loaded into database. Step number three, a quick review of structure. In schema, look at the six area with academic, laborative, in the others. Um, Step number four, configure PostgreSQL to allow a remote connection. Now I need to prepare PostgreSQL to accept external connection from my phone using a RemoDB. To do is open the terminal in Fedora and to the following. First, I edit the main Postgres, configure the called PostgreSQL.com. There I change the setting that control with IP address and server listed to modify is to listing allow IP address not used locally. Next, I edit another file changes pghba.com with command. Yes. In this file, I set the access rules allow authorized user to connection aid from IP address of the bidder security. Only from my local network. This done by adding the line with the corresponding permission. Hold in IPv4 local connection. Host allow IP the local network. Finally, I restore the Postgres service to apply the change. Restore Postgres with command. Perfect. With this Postgres service is ready to accept a remote connection. Um, Step number 5, get the Fedora server IP address. To connect from the phone, I need to own the IP address of the Fedora server where the PostgreSQL is running. I'm on the same Wi-Fi network. I use the local IP. If I want to connect from outside, I need the public IP or set up for forum IPA with IP. Step number 6, connect from the phone using RemoDB. With the database ready and the configuration done, I open RemoDB on my phone and I create a new connection with these details. Select Postgres and the IP address of the Fedora server and the start PostgreSQL port and 5432 and the database and CR25 and user name Postgres and password. Password is this way I can access data from my phone in real time. Disconnection test and save. The verify the connection with a simple query. When the connection is established from RemoDB on the phone, the first thing I do is run a simple query to make everything work correctly. For example, I can run a query that allows the counts of record group by and specify in this case I query the laboratory and the query is used query return result in maintain connection and access of the database are working well from phone. Thank you.